Hi guys, Mrs. Devlin here. So we are trying something new today for lesson 7.3. I'm kind of excited to do this because I think it's a really neat thing to do, and I hope you enjoy this activity. We are talking about psychological factors in health today, which basically means that we're going to see how psychological troubles can affect our bodies. And you're going to demonstrate what you've learned by creating a poster about stress prevention. So today we're going to do several different things. And this is the video from step 2. So you should have already completed your chapter 17 section 4 reading. Just in case you didn't, it's totally there for you, chapter 17 section 4. And then you can also use the chapter notes to help you recall things. We are going to be using PictoChart today to create a poster about positive life changes you can make to prevent stress. So if we go to step 3, it says click here to examine your instructions today and see how you'll be graded. For this assignment, you're going to be selecting 3 stress prevention changes mentioned on page 401 in your textbook. And I've gone ahead and included this for you. This can include quitting smoking, controlling weight, reducing hypertension, lowering serum cholesterol levels, changing type A behavior patterns, and exercising. There's more detail about each of these items in your textbook on page 401, so make sure you check that out, okay? You are creating a poster on PictoChart that promotes these 3 positive changes. Your poster needs to include what the changes are and describe them. And you need to make the poster eye-catching. It can't just be plain black and white words on paper like these just instructions here, okay? So you need to make sure you define the changes, use examples from the text, and make sure you use pictures and make it look nice too, okay? You'll be graded in the following manner. This is 20 points. I don't want you to put a ton of worry and stress into this assignment. I want you to have fun and be creative with it, okay? This is not meant to stress you out. If it is stressing you out, contact me today, okay? We'll work together and you can do it. I'm going to give you 5 points, jeepers Mrs. Devlin, for including the 3 positive changes from the list above. I'm going to give you 10 points for including enough detail regarding these 3 positive changes. Lastly, I'm giving you 5 points for making the poster eye-catching and appealing. So if you've included 3 positive changes, make sure you have detail about them, and made your poster look nice, there should be a good 20 points going your way. So if we go back to our assignment for the day, there's a login to PictoChart right here. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and you'll see that we're on the main page for the item. You can go ahead and just click Start for free, and just click Sign in with Google. As long as you have your school email up, you'll be good to go. No worries. I use this with my 7th grade class too, so if you see any other things popping up here, you know why. What you're going to do today, because you're making a poster, is you're going to click on the poster option and then scroll down. I would really recommend creating a blank one. The templates won't really work here because of what we need to have. So go ahead and click Create. It's starting up here. So now you have a blank canvas to work with. You can title your poster, include your text in it. You can see that this kind of moves about here. You can make another text box. Right there, for example. To delete, you can just click the delete button on your computer like you normally would. And as you can see, you can really easily play with the sizes and stuff. And there's a nice little help button should you need anything. So you can kind of play around with it, make it look cool. There's an option for subtitles. And you can really play with it. You can add a background image. You need to add pictures. That's pretty important. So to add pictures, click graphics. You can go icons, maybe. Let's see what pops up if I type in exercise. Put in it that way. Remember, just delete for old items. So let's say that I've completed my poster here. This one is not done, so please turn in a poster with more information. I can click the Save button up top, and it'll save my infographic. What I'm going to do after that is there's a share option. I'd prefer that we download it, not share it, okay? So go ahead and click that download button. Make sure that you choose, everything looks pretty okay here. You can do PNG or JPEG, doesn't really matter. So I'm going to download mine as PNG. You can see it's loading. And then it's already saved to my computer. So what I'm going to do next is click on it to make sure it's saved okay. There's my poster. What I do now is do File, Make a Copy. Give it a title. I'd really recommend putting your last name in it too. So I've saved that. And then I would go to my lesson for the day and upload the file. Let me get that for us real quick. So again, guys, once you have made your picto chart, followed the instructions I provided, you're going to scroll to the bottom of the lesson, and you're going to upload this like you would a screenshot or any other assignment with a file upload. You can totally also paste your final picto chart into Google Documents and share the link with me. Whatever item works, okay? So this video was a general intro to picto chart for psychology class. Guys, if you need my help with this, let me know. I'm here for you, and I want you to rock this assignment, okay? Have a good day.